before that shit, that was like middle school shit. But we talking about high school iPhones, Vine. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
We was athletes and had motherfuckers that ain't being silly.
Front door open.
It's 10 degrees in Detroit.
It's cold as hell, like for real. There's 2 more. It's cold as hell, dog. No faking. That load just came in. This 10,000 worth right here. Still missing like 3 boxes right now. This 10,000 worth. We about to bust this down. Get everything organized. Yeah. Put all this shit on the racks back here. Clean these racks off. Put all the new inventory on, and we gonna rock out like that. XLs. Back up in the boxes too, man.
Key.
Yeah, I use my key.
I was gonna say the time I had to put my face on my ID on some shit, but I forgot. When we get famous, I don't want them coming back and trying to do me on no recall. You hear me?
I gotta slang these bitches, but
I swear to God. Oh, what you mean? I was just looking at that video of you in the hay when that video you had on that red shirt and you had that suitcase and you was walking into that house.
yeah. Oh yeah, that's a classic.
You was that. That was the A for real.
That was the A for real.
That was the turning point.
For sure was a turning corner.
I ain't gonna lie, gang.
We gotta move this shit today, bro. For real. I get this shit so my shit frozen.
I ain't gonna work, gang. We might have to go to the A with some of this shit.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
I'm for real. I'm for real. I'm dead ass. We might have to go post a A with this shit. You gotta think it's hoodie season on that bitch. And motherfuckers about to get their taxes.
Bro, what's
What? They still is at this low flow.
it's like that dumb?
Mine was low slow too. We got whatever you need, 2025. Good packaging, legit packaging, zipper slide, all sizes you need. This ain't no Temu, this ain't no regular Instagram. Quality packaging, quality logos. We build genuine relationships with our buyers. End of this week, check the bio, we giving out a free hoodie. Arrival worldwide, Instagram, TikTok, Twitch. Arrival worldwide. If somebody be watching out, we're giving out a free hoodie this weekend. Like I said, for the new Jordan, we got all quality packaging, zipper package, quality.
What's that alarm you got set to just keep going?
TikTok, the post on TikTok.
You said what?
The post on TikTok. I got it set for 3 p.m. every day to post on TikTok.
Damn, that's smart little key, so you ain't made no post yet.
No. But I'm on TikTok though, so I still really make my post, you feel me? Like I said, we got all sizes, medium, smalls, extra larges.
We get everything out and start busting some of them open. We can start showing people. This is what this is about. But the hood, oversized hood, distress, slight distress, boxy crop fit. So this is a good layering piece. Put it on, put a jacket over it. I might demonstrate shortly after we get shit organized. I'm gonna demonstrate. But yeah, man, this is what we got going on. So now we about to I'm about to take a couple flicks of this shit for the gram, get the promotion going, get everything going. Then we gotta pull up on a couple people.
Let these people see the front of the hoodie over here. Let them see it.
But we got this the first hoodie. Love is Pain. It's like a royal blue pullover. The back say everybody hates you till they love you. This is real designer. You know what I'm saying? Hidden pockets, woven label. You know what I'm saying? This the first one. Oversized hood, real comfortable. French terry fabric. You know what I'm saying? We going straight quality. And this one, it's a dark humor piece. It's a distressed hoodie. Say nipples make me smile. You know what I'm saying? This is what you wear when you pop out and you really want to start a conversation without having to actually speak to somebody. This how you do it. They're like, damn, what type, you know what I'm saying? Or some silly shit. Oversized hood. It's distressed though. So it got like y'all see what's going on. We're gonna try some of this shit on soon after we get organized and we really go, you know?
First time on TikTok Live. Give us some likes. We ain't want where you can find this and find your gear. Zachary, appreciate you joining, man. Dennis Davis, thank you for the like. I appreciate you for the like. I just want likes, man. We don't want no money on here, man. We just want some likes.
If you stopping by, just drop a couple likes for me. Spam the likes for me real quick. I'm trying to hit the algorithm. Spam the likes for me. Tell them folks spam likes.
Get them likes. We don't go through nobody for prints. We do it ourselves. Got a lot of oldies and goodies.
Stocking up the inventory right now. Got a lot more to go. I'm gonna talk a little bit more when I get done getting something organized, and then we gonna shoot some moves. But right now, we gotta get the rest of this inventory organized real quick.
Hey Woods! Hey Woods, bro. You know we gonna coach kids, sell clothes. You know we gonna do whatever. Somebody gotta make it out of my camp. Somebody gotta make it. Nigga, I help my mama cook if I got to get this money, nigga. I don't give a fuck.
Somebody gotta make it, dog.
Somebody gotta make it out this bitch.
Oh my soul, somebody gotta make it, dog. First time up here, dog. I've been told this story. So been told to come up here. Finally got some shit on hand. Let me get. I got some other shit coming in too on Monday, so I'm gonna spin that. Alright. But I finally got some shit on hand, so we about to get back to it, bro.
This bitch so hard to watch.
Yeah, some shit on the back too. Quality, the feel of that bitch crazy too.
No, I don't care. Yeah. Like, oh, I want to buy that shit I seen PG and buy that shit I seen right here.
That's how I'm about to start having y'all boys in that shit again heavy.
Yeah,
I just took the last year off on some bullshit.
No, you did right because you was styling this shit though. So
yeah.
you was still acting.
Yeah.
You was showing your gift.
But I wasn't really loaded up with the product. Yeah.
I can tell though. But
that's how you know when I was loaded with the product,
how you was doing it.
I was keeping that shit in rotation.
No, for sure. But it looked better when you was doing when you took a break to start installing and shit. That shit went. As long as you ain't stopping, just disappear. Yeah, that should be good.
So I'm about to get back to flooding the streets for real.
You would have about 30 yards, 25 yards. All they need is a little bit.
No faking. Oh, another side, huh? Fresh painted this shit?
Fresh did them 2 doors.
Oh yeah, I see you been on the me and Dave's about to get one going. I'm about to set up our house.
Partnership with Twitch yesterday.
You see you did what on Twitch?
I just signed a partnership with Twitch yesterday.
Damn, we need to do some shit.
Every month. Yeah, I got to do 40 hours a month.
Damn.
Yep, I got to do a minimum of 40 hours. Then I restruct my contract at 6 months.
Yeah.
But that shit was in the storage, wrapped in plastic with all my pillows and shit.
I knew you was gonna have this bitch nice though.
Oh no, for sure, bro. I had to do it how I see LA studios in Atlanta and shit like that. Had a aesthetics.
Let me know too. I'm on the
lighting
try to do some.
They got a session for 5 hours. Terranian Art, Kwani Alexander, all them niggas, they all got a session.
Oh, here?
5 lighting players about to be up here at 8.
Damn, we gotta go.
I said, nah, I ain't gonna cap. I'm
Really
just on that
lower
shit.
scale.
Yeah, really on that shit. He got the spinning wheel in his crib with the prizes. Like he going.
That's what you need to do.
I got like be having this grandma on the street. She funny as fuck. And she coming that bitch blowing his eyes and everything. Like, that shit be real shit. He gonna be real big in that world, bro. I ain't gonna cap, bro.
We need to do some shit for
Bro,
sure.
we could.
The way that shit fit too, you gonna like how it fit. It's like that swaggy fit to it.
Look, that's so crazy because I just bought some Nike shots, like 3 pair of them bitches the other day. About to wear them bitches off. That hoodie.
You were easy the first things I thought of. I'm like, I know they gonna make it look right.
I'm about to have that shit looking so hard. I'm about to have that shit looking so hard.
2 days ago.
What's she? Damn, girl, you got a big girl plate. You got garlic bread.
Know how to shoot 3 IQ.
Crazy. You better do your homework. Hey, cause it's about to die.
Is it on though?
Yeah, it's on now.
Try to put your on real quick.
But I know you can fit that balloon for sure, What's the deal, bro? I'm fucking with them tapes you driving.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've been tuning into them bitches. Them bitches hard.
Another one about to drop Saturday.
For real. Where y'all going next?
Midwest.
Where?
On the Midwest.
Midwest, like Minnesota?
Yeah, Minnesota, Chicago.
I told D8 I was gonna come fuck with y'all for a stop or two.
Yeah, that's cool.
You feel me? I made that one I made this one open like this so the chain could hang out the right way. Put the oversized hood.
No.
Shit, working, running around. Finally got some product on hand, so I've been hitting everybody who can feel me, who be asking for my clothes and be fucking with me and shit. Cause every time I got shit, bro, that shit be gone so fast. I be missing out on so much shit.
This bitch got the ripped up collar too?
Nah, no.
I just want this bitch.
Bet.
And then I grabbed that bitch too.
Bet.
I know you got I know you got it.
I can just let me know that you bet. Give me shit, give me 100 for this one. That one I got $2 though.
Apple Pay, fool?
I don't even got Apple Pay. Mar, you got Apple Pay?
I can tell you.
Yeah, Zell. Hell yeah. What you got cooking?
Man, earn to the shit, bro. Fucking with the new artist I got. Feel me, live stream and shit.
Oh yeah, I seen you. Playing the music and shit.
Yeah.
What live stream you been fucking with?
Like I've been on Twitch.
Man.
Twitch shit.
Bro, he's so hard headed, bro. I've been on his ass with this Twitch shit, bro.
Twitch shit. No fake. Niggas trying to get like you, not coach. We gotta keep this shit rolling.
Yeah, that's why I've been straight vlogging it for real.
Yeah, we gotta keep this shit rolling, bro. No faking.
Give some likes if y'all fucking with the Arrival collection, man. Show me some light, man.
We gotta keep this shit rolling now. I gotta keep product on hand this year, bro. Last year I missing out on so much money and shit, just
then you wanna have
bullshitting around.
You gotta get back going on content too, on the YouTube too.
What's we doing?
Yeah, I ain't even no cameraman in here. I just no. I ain't no cameraman. This is
Yeah.
we pushing whoever
I
close.
have my baby Floyd, he be vlogging shit for me, but he went to LA today.
Damn.
Yeah, he went to LA to do something. So I got my boy Murray. I had like so much product came in today, so we just been vlogging all day. For sure.
Man, we say you can schedule Zelle payments now.
That's for the niggas. I got them the continue boys coming through.
Jose Dave V, what's up? Appreciate you joining.
See if I got coming in too.
You
I'm
ain't
supposed to come
well
in with this shit, but
work.
it got pushed back.
Appreciate you joining.
We got pushed back to Monday. I'm about to show it to you. This, you might like this too when it come in, but it's like embroidered pocket. But they got a little design on it. But they got the thermal sleeves underneath it that's attached.
No, yeah, I want that for sure.
Yeah, I'll put it up on you so you just try it on. I'm gonna get them in Monday.
Oh no, all of got caught up in the fucking chair. That's crazy. Good looking, man.
For sure. I'm gonna see.
Yeah.
Good looking, bro.
Yeah.
Appreciate you for sure. I just knew I'm gonna call my
So
nigga
you
Lando.
got-
With me.
How long you about to be in town?
Shit, I'm only going to New York next week for like a couple of days. I'll be right back.
Bet. With a touch on
I'm
Monday,
going on.
I'll just hit you and see where you at.
I'll still be here.
All right, bet. I'm on you. All right, y'all boys.